In Medina County, our new automated central processing facility is the cornerstone of an effective solid waste management program. The facility aims to dramatically reduce the volume of solid waste earmarked for landfills, and it is doing just that. Approximately 1/3 of Medina County's waste now goes to a landfill. We recycle nearly 42% of our waste into energy-producing fuel and 15% into new consumer products. State goals aim to recycle 25% of a community's solid waste. Medina County recycles almost 60% of the waste it processes, while traditional curbside programs recycle only 6%. When you put your trash out, the same haulers who used to take your waste to area landfills or incinerators now bring it to the central processing facility. As each load arrives, it is weighed in and identified. This information is entered into a computer for control and billing purposes. The waste is directed into the facility, where it is dumped on the tipping floor. A front-end loader spreads the waste and it is inspected, ensuring that no hazardous materials enter the facility. Large appliances and other bulky items are separated, and the remaining waste is loaded onto a conveyor. The conveyor transports the waste to the primary sorting station, an elevated room where workers separate large items, wood, cardboard, newspaper, and mixed paper, dropping it through chutes into holding bins below. The remaining waste enters the trommel, a rotating drum that's 12 feet in diameter and 40 feet long. The trommel automatically performs 3 operations. It tears open plastic garbage bags, separates fine material, and separates cans from the mixed waste stream. The fine material falls through small holes inside the trommel. It is primarily organic matter, 40% dirt, the rest a mix of yard debris, small pieces of paper, food waste, glass, and bottle caps. This fine material can be screened, composted, and used to enrich soil. Soup cans, beverage cans, and some other waste falls through larger holes inside the trommel onto another conveyor. Steel and bimetallic cans are separated by a large electromagnet that lifts them off the conveyor and throws them into a container. The rest of the waste goes into the eddy current separator, where super powerful rare earth magnets arranged in alternating magnetic fields repel the aluminum cans, which literally jump off the conveyor and into a storage container. The non-metallic objects that remain drop onto another conveyor and re-enter the waste stream coming from the open end of the trommel. The combined stream moves to the secondary sorting station, where workers separate newspaper, mixed paper, and plastics. Remaining waste enters the shredder, and RDF, or refuse-derived fuel, is produced. It can be burned like coal to produce energy. The recyclable material in the bins beneath the sorting stations and the aluminum and steel cans are gathered and loaded onto conveyors that lift them into a baler. Here, they are compressed into dense bales of paper, plastic, aluminum, and steel, loaded onto transport trucks, and shipped to facilities that make new products out of these valuable recyclable materials.